Boom! What is up, Wanderers? It's time for another one-take bag review, and this time we've got something insanely cool. Check it out. This is from Blank Canvas Accessories, and it is a Rover pack, and it is custom as heck because it is the first ever Rover pack with the confetti camo, the donut pack. I love it. I think it's beautiful. And I wanted to show you this bag, not because I want to just brag about how badass I am for having a bag this neat, but I wanted to talk about this maker. So Brian, who is the owner and creator behind Blank Canvas Accessories, link as always in the video description, is a cool guy, and he is a cool guy not just because he just is, but he is a cool guy because he is making gear that is funky. And I love that, okay? What do I mean? What do I mean? I mean Brian is brave enough to make gear in more than just black. Brian is out here making Gundam colors. Brian is out here making bags that are Mandalorian color. You know, he's got the woodland camo, he's got the black. You could definitely get that, okay? If that's your thing, you do your thing. But me, I'm all about the funk. I'm all about color. And makers like Brian, who are creative, who allow you to customize, they get you one-of-a-kind pieces. They get you awesomeness, okay? So a Rover pack, what is a Rover pack? Brian makes bags and all kinds of everyday carry items. He makes bags that are designed not for laptops, not for MacBooks. They are EDC bags. So hip packs, sling packs, crossbody bags. They're awesome. He's got two larger bags that I really dig, the Nomad and the Rover. So let's get into this thing. You know what we do on this channel. We do one-take bag reviews. And in our review, we're going to look at the outside of the bag. We're going to look at the inside of the bag. And we are going to talk about two things we love about the bag, two things not so much, and then an overall recommendation. Should you buy yourself a Rover pack from Blank Canvas Accessories? Let's dive in. Okay, so first off, the outside of the bag. We've got a couple things going on here. We have a hook and loop panel. We have an attachment point. We also have some beautiful confetti sprinkle X-Pack donut camo, okay? We've got custom yellow zippers here with pink pulls, and we've got blue paracord zipper pull here. Awesome. And then on the back, we've got teal. This is all Cordura. It's all really, really cool. And we've got a nice teal strap that matches the back panel with a really nice plastic buckle. And let's look at a couple other things. We've got zipper pulls, right? The bottom of the pack, thick Cordura, very stable material. That's the outside of the bag. You can see the logo here for Blank Canvas Accessories, very tastefully done and very subtle. All right, so let's dive in. First off, boom, look in here. You can see he's gone with a teal interior on the front pocket. I've got in here my flashlight, a pen, my reading glasses, my AirPods, and a pocket knife. And you can see, I hope, how cool this material is. It's not just regular cloth. We've got a shiny, high gloss material in there. Really nice. Again, he really gets into beautiful materials. Then on the back here, and you look at the contrast stitching that's pink to match some of the pink detail and the pink zipper pulls. Awesome. So in the main compartment of the bag, look at that. Look at that. It's not just an open compartment. You've got some really nice, beautiful sections here. I've got my two back sections. I've got in there my power brick that also doubles as a battery backup. I've got my cords, USB-C and Lightning. Got my Nintendo Switch. And then in this pocket, surprise, it's another pouch from Brian and the team at Blank Canvas Accessories. How about that? Inside here, it is a wallet, okay? My business cards for the channel, stamps, some other knickknacks. Hook and loop attachment points on the outside, little pin loop right here, and a little piece for a key carabiner. Awesome. All right, you can check out the inside of the bag here. One pocket, main section, 2 pockets, 3 pockets, 4 pockets, 4 divided sections. and then the main compartment down there. Okay, that's it. That's the bag. Let's talk about this thing. 2 things we love about the bag. Number 1, we love supporting small creators. So I am going to try to continue to bring you small creators on this channel. And I would love it if you guys would continue to entertain the thought of purchasing something from them. I am not sponsored by Brian and the team here. I just dig it when people are following their dreams and doing cool stuff. So, first thing we love. This is a small creator who is literally making things to order. That's epic. Love that. Second thing we love, this is a brave creator. We love the colorways. And it's not just that he slapped some donut confetti on here and said, I'm going to sell that thing. He talked to me back and forth about this bag. I sent him a note that said, I want it to feel like the 80s. I want it to feel totally rad. I want it to be like a Trapper Keeper. And he said, voila. And he sent me a proof. We made one tweak and we fired that thing up. Wow. This is even better than I thought it would be because of the materials and because of the craftsmanship. Really, really nice stuff. 2 things I don't love so much about this bag. 1, the buckle back here. Kind of forgettable, but we'll talk price point in a second. Understandable. The second thing I don't like so much about the bag, zipper pulls. Zipper pulls, check this out. Right here, right here. Came untied. I can tie it back up, but I'm gonna have to, I think, seal it with some wax or something. I may just replace them with a different zipper pull, but didn't love the zipper pulls quite as much as the rest of the bag. But, I mean, God, I'm quibbling because this handmade bag, the Rover, check out the website, check out the link, 55 bucks. 55 bucks. Epic. Come on. Handmade. It's a perfect gift. And I know you're thinking, I would not wear that donut bag. Well, that's fine because you can get one of a million other amazing colorways. Camo, olive, tan, black. Check them out. I promise you're going to be blown away by the creativity and the colorways that they have for these bags over on the site. This is the Rover. They've got the Nomad that's slightly smaller and a bunch of other tech accessories and EDC items. So I hope everybody enjoyed it. My overall recommendation is, heck yeah, you should buy this thing. Heck yeah. And you should keep supporting small creators and makers. All right, everybody, that's it for now. Enjoy this gloriousness. Let me scoot the stuff out of the way. Give you one last look at this beautiful, beautiful bag. That's it for now, everybody. Thanks so much. Appreciate you supporting the channel. And please click the link. Check out this guy's stuff. Thanks, everybody. Bye for now.